Understanding how to perform arithmetic in Python is useful, but understanding how to use variables can turn Python into more than just a calculator. Using variables, as opposed to just raw numbers, has many advantages. Let's get started. Creating a new variable in Python is simple. Here's one which stores the population of Mountain View. The variable name in this example is mvPopulation. The equal sign is the assignment operator, and the value of the variable is 74,728. Notice this isn't simply an expression of a quality, like in math, where x equals y and y equals x mean the same thing. In Python, the equal sign is an operator that assigns the value on the right to the variable name on the left. In other words, whatever term is on the left side is now a name for whatever value is on the right side. Let's see another example. The first line here defines x as 2, and the second line defines y as the value of x, which is printed in the third line. Notice we can use a variable's name to access its value. In this line, we only needed the name of the variable x to define y as its value, 2. Similarly, in this next line, we were able to print the value of y just by using the name y. If you try to access the value of a variable that was never defined, you'll get this error. It's explained pretty clearly in the error message. Name z was not defined.